Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a photo of you notification on Instagram, enabling vibration is a smart move. Let's walk through the updated steps to turn on vibration for these notifications, so you can always stay in the loop, even when your phone is in your pocket or on silent. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main settings. This is the control center for all your device's preferences. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your phone. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. This will open up all the settings specific to Instagram. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different ways Instagram can alert you: sounds, pop-ups, badges, and more. Look for the option called Notification Categories. This is where Instagram breaks down notifications by type, making it easy to customize exactly how you want to be alerted for different activities. Scroll through the list until you find the Photo of You option. This notification is triggered whenever someone tags you in a photo, so it's important if you want to keep track of your online presence. Tap on Photo of You, and you'll see a variety of settings for this specific notification. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the Vibrate option. Simply toggle it on. That's it. From now on, whenever you get a Photo of You notification on Instagram, your phone will vibrate, making sure you never miss a tag. This is especially handy if you often keep your phone on silent or in your bag. Customizing your notifications ensures you're alerted in the way that works best for you. Whether you're in a meeting, at the gym, or just want a discreet heads-up, enabling vibration keeps you connected without being disruptive. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly optimized Instagram notifications.